This is Xiaomi 12S Ultra, and today I will show how you can bypass parental controls on this device. So as you can clearly see, my parental controls or the parental controls on my phone are indeed active. So in order to disable them, you will need to open Settings, then enter Google category, manage your Google account. To continue, open the Data and Privacy page right over here. Then scroll it all the way down and go for the Delete your Google account option that is located at the very bottom. Then in order to continue or proceed, we will need to type in the child's Google account password real quick. So let me do exactly that. Then you will be forwarded to the account deletion page. So in here, if needed, you can read all those things or information, but well, that's not necessary. So basically, anyway, check those two boxes, tap the delete account option. And at this point, not only we have deleted Google account, but it resulted in the parental controls being deactivated. So let me quickly check whether the system has already synced and these changes were applied and acknowledged. So as you can see at the Google section, there is no Gmail account added to the system. And if I will open up the list of parental controls, there will be simply none. So at this point, the last thing that I need to do is to recover the account, so we will not lose it. You can very easily do that by signing into Google app with it. Any app will do, but I'll just used to go in with Google Play Store, so that's my choice, or my app of choice rather. So enter your account email, then you should get the following message, and after this message appears, follow it by inputting the account password. Nine out of 10 times, or even more often, you will get the something went wrong message or error. That's completely fine. That happens more often than it does not. So simply re-enter your Google account credentials, and usually second time around it lets you go through and lets you go with your sign-in without any issues or difficulties. So enter the email address, then follow it by typing in the account password. And as you can see, this time I can continue the sign-in. So decide on whether you would like to enable backup, agree at the Google Terms of Service, and accept. And as you can clearly see, now, the account was successfully recovered, the parental controls were deactivated, and they haven't came back. So let me quickly show that they didn't. So there are none. So I would assume that's a great success. So thanks for watching. That will be it for this video, and bye bye.